Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I got for Christmas 2021. As you can see here, a few boxes from Hermes, also from Chanel and Dior. This one is very special for me, so I'm gonna leave it till the end. Now let's get started with Chanel. I'm gonna get this one first. So it comes with the camellia flower as always, and because I got this a while ago, so there's no holiday packaging. These pieces are from 21C collection. So let me review what in here. This is from 22C collection, the earrings. Look at this. How beautiful. I love camellia flowers. That's why I decided to go with this earring. They're little camellia flowers. And as you can see here, the earring looks a little big on my ear, but I love it. When I got the message from my SA, I didn't think it is this big. When I saw it in person, it is much bigger than how I imagined, but I love the camellia flowers and also the gold hardware. These earrings are in gold hardware with crystal, and it is $500. That is the first one. Let's go to the next one. So this box right here is related to this box right here. Let me show you. Here's inside. Now let's take a look. Here it is. It is a necklace, also from 22C collection. As you can see here, there's another CC logo with camellia flowers on it. It is also in gold hardware with crystal, and the necklace is in pearl. Most of other pearl necklaces have, the same size pearls, but this one has different sizes pearls, so it's a little different. This is how the necklace look on me at the shortest length. Love it. I can adjust it to have it at longer length. Other necklaces, usually you see this double CC here, but this one comes with a little pearl. Very lovely. Let me adjust it right now so you can see. This is at longer length. This necklace is called Gold, Pearly, White, and Crystal, and it is $725 plus tax. Now let's review the last one. Can you guess what it is in here? Let's reveal it together. And this is what in the box. It is a bundle, and look how beautiful this color. It is in pink color, but it has white, black, pink, and gray Chanel logos. Very pretty. This Chanel bundle is made in Italy. There's a big black Chanel logo with little different colors around. This end has big white Chanel logo. It is $300 plus tax. This is long, so I can wear it as a scarf, or I can use it on a handle of my bag. So lovely, right? Or I can use the twirly rings from Hermes to have it together right here with different style. We are done with Chanel right now, so let's get to the next one, Dior. This item I got from Dior Boutique here. Very lovely, right? Yeah, I love that the SA put the star on here, and he also put this book in the back. In here are all the ready-to-wear pieces. Very lovely. So this one can be put on the coffee table. Let me share with you what's inside here. It comes with a little box. Let's unbox it, see what's inside. I got this a while ago, so let me share with you what I got here. It comes with a little dust bag here. In here comes with an earring. Dior is very clever on making their packaging. As you can see here, it is very small dust bag, but it has two different pockets in here, two slip pockets, so the earrings don't scratch each other. And here is Dior tribal earrings, very classic, right? I love it. This is my first pair of the tribal Dior earring. Here are the two pieces. This goes to the back and this is in the front. This is how it is on my ear. I love it. I still love the Dior logo, D-I-O-R. Let's get to bigger Dior boxes right here. This is the smallest, and there are two big boxes right here. These are fragrance and also beauty products. I should credit to dear Jennifer. She is very lovely lady, and I'm gonna have her channel down in the description box below. Because of her page, I found out these deals. I got gift with purchases and also some complimentary gifts. Here's one of the boxes. I'm not sure which one in here because I got three of them. Look at this one. Oh wow, so beautiful with the holiday packaging. Let's take these out first. So this is a complimentary gift and also the gift that I enter the code in to get. So this is like a cosmetic pouch. Let's see the inside. Oh, it has water resistance, white pepper material. Yeah, it's like nylon white pepper material. This one is Dior Home Deodorant. So this one is for men. Love deodorant spray bottles. Yeah, so I ordered this for my husband. Wow, look at the pouch. So pretty. I think this is just for the complimentary gift. Yeah, for any order from online website, we could get the two complimentary gifts. I'm not sure if I purchased $75 or $150 to get these extra. This is a full-size miniature, the Miss Dior. Oh my goodness, look how cute. This is a full-size miniature Miss Dior. Very lovely. And this pouch is the size of my hand. So it is good to store a lot of things for traveling. Now let's take a look at what's in here. Take out the ribbon. Oh, it is so beautiful. Love Dior packaging. Look at these bottles. Wow, so lovely. So this one is Beautifying Body Milk, and this one is perfume. This is J. Dior Eau de Perfume, and this size is 1.7. It looks clear out here, but in here it's like rose color. Very pretty bottle. I never had this bottle before, but I have tried this scent from the samples. It is so hard to take this one out. Oh my goodness. This bottle is in plastic. Okay, let's see how it is. It is very light scent, floral. But because I just spray this on my wrist, so it's so hard for me to try to smell this one because this one is even lighter than this perfume. I forgot to share this with you as well. This one is mascara in miniature size. but it has signature Dior show pump and volume. Very sleek looking. It's a full-size brush mascara. Now let's do the second one. Next box is right here. Look at this. This box right here, I ordered a few things, the perfume, the eyeshadow compact, and also the lipstick right here. It comes with all these complimentary gifts. Can you believe it? Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, for any purchase online, I could get the 2 complimentary gifts like perfume or something, but just only 2. So I chose this one, the Dior, J. Dior, and Miss Dior. These 2 are the complimentary gift, but because I entered the code in, so I got more things. Look at this pouch. It is just so beautiful in dark blue color. Oh, in here it has signature Christian Dior CD signature with white petal material. Yeah, this can be used as a clutch too. I think it fits the phone. My phone fits perfectly in here. So this pouch can be used for quick errands. Let me share with you the next thing I got. It also comes with the Miss Dior in miniature size. This right here is also included as a gift. It is a mini size. Oh, it's so pretty. There's lipstick and also eyeshadow. I can use these as blush as well. Yeah, the eyeshadow. Just so cute for traveling. There's also Dior headband with the signature CD logo on it. And look at this one right here.
It comes with the bottle, glass bottle. Look at this. Wow.
Dior water bottle. Your big opening. Yep, now let me show you what I got. The Miss Dior Eau de Perfume in 1.7 ounce. And let's take a look at this thing right here. Let's take a look inside. There's mirror, and this is a limited edition with a silver in the middle and 2 brushes. I got similar one from Chanel with the gold glitter in the middle already. So this one I decided to go for the silver. This one is Rouge Dior number 100. Very neutral color. Last one. This right here is another small box. I haven't seen this. This is my first time open, so I'm not sure what is in here. So this one is a gift for this. Let's see. Okay, I ordered this top coat. I forgot what I ordered. This is limited edition nail color, nail polish. So pretty for the holiday, of course. And when I ordered this, it does come with the Savage Dior as a complimentary gift. This is Savage Dior shower gel, and this is a full-size miniature perfume, eau de perfume. Now we are done with Chanel and Dior. I have few HERMES boxes left here, but I think this box should deserve its own video. If you want, leave a comment down below if you think this is a Birkin or a Kelly. Yes, it is one of them, but I'm gonna make a separate video for this. So I hope to see you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury, lifestyle, and travel. Bye-bye.